Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable or remove the test mode in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. Once you typed it, wait for the run as administrator option will appear. Now it's here, click on that to continue. When your user account asks you to say yes, just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open your command prompt as administrator. Here you need to paste a command, which is this. I'll be including this at the description box below, so no worries for that. BCD edit space forward slash set space test no space signing off space off. I mean test signing space off. Control C to copy and then Control V. Here, just simply click on enter and wait until the procedure would be done or the process will be done. And once done, click on this to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. So once you have relaunched your computer again, your problem or the test mode would be removed or disabled in your Windows. Okay? So let's say for example you want to turn it on, then simply paste this at the command prompt, which is bcd edit space forward slash set space test signing space on. Just copy this to enable your test mode. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.